Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. In this meditation, we will use our imagination to experience the excitement, focus, and joy that come with a bowling adventure. Find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down, close your eyes, and get ready to bowl a strike in your mind. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body relax. Imagine yourself standing outside a vibrant building, adorned with bright neon lights and the sound of laughter spilling out from within. This is the Cosmic Bowling Alley, a place where the magic of bowling comes alive. As you step inside, visualize a cosmic wonderland unfolding before you. The walls and ceiling are adorned with stars that twinkle and glow, casting a soft, soothing light. The air is filled with the sound of upbeat music and the anticipation of bowling strikes. Find yourself at the shoe rental counter, where friendly attendants help you select the perfect pair of bowling shoes. Slip them on, feeling the comfortable fit and the anticipation of the adventures that lie ahead. As you make your way to the bowling lanes, take in the vibrant atmosphere around you. Picture the lanes stretching out before you, lined with colorful bumpers and glowing pins. The sound of rolling balls and cheers from fellow bowlers create a lively energy in the air. Step up to your designated lane, taking a moment to ground yourself. Feel the smoothness of the bowling ball in your hands, the weight of it reminding you of the power within you. Take a deep breath, envisioning yourself standing confidently at the starting line. With a focused mind and a gentle swing, release the ball, watching it glide effortlessly down the lane. Picture the vibrant colors trailing behind the ball, creating a mesmerizing display as it approaches the pins. Imagine the satisfying sound of the ball colliding with the pins, as they scatter in all directions. As you visualize the perfect strike, feel the excitement and joy welling up within you. Imagine the cheers and applause from friends and fellow bowlers, celebrating your accomplishment. Embrace the sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that you have tapped into your own inner strength and skill. Take a moment to soak in the atmosphere of the cosmic bowling alley. Visualize the shimmering lights reflecting off the polished lanes, the laughter and camaraderie shared among friends. Picture yourself celebrating with high fives, hugs, and smiles, creating a warm and supportive environment. Now, imagine a comfortable seating area nearby, where you can take a break and relax. Find a cozy spot and sink into a soft cushion, feeling the relaxation enveloping your body. Take a deep breath, allowing any remaining tension to melt away. As you rest, envision the joy and contentment radiating from within. Picture yourself surrounded by the vibrant energy of the cosmic bowling alley, feeling a deep sense of gratitude for the experience and the memories you have created. As the guided meditation comes to an end, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath, knowing that the joy, focus, and determination you experience in the cosmic bowling alley can be carried with you in your daily life. As you open your eyes, remember the excitement and fun of the cosmic bowling adventure. Carry the lessons of focus, perseverance, and celebration into your everyday experiences, knowing that you have the power to create joy and success in everything you do. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.